Hello everyone, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprint.com podcast. And this is your favorite host, Billy. In this channel, we're focusing on bringing you the best business idea that'll generate more income into your bank account. So if you are new here, hit the like button for your favorite host and hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any single one of these life-changing ideas. And while you were here on YouTube, might as well hit the bell notification for your YouTube to alert when we're posting new content. Don't think too much now. You'll end up benefiting more from these information we're about to share. Okay guys, so today we have a fun one for music lover. Again, your friend Billy. Today I will bring you 9 websites where you can make money by just listening to music. Okay, so by the intro, by now you know that there are ways that you can make money by listening to music. Among these many ways of earning money online. So what you do is you just gotta sign up to one of the websites that we mentioned in this guide. You can boost your money by a good margin. So why do these websites pay you? Such websites pay users so that they can review music of new upcoming singers and songwriters. These websites require feedbacks from a wide range of people to help musical artists find the direction that they need for their songs. What am I supposed to do? Well, it's quite simple actually. You need to join the website, create a profile. After the approval of your profile, you can start the work. You're supposed to do 2 things: listening and reviewing. Listen to the songs of new and upcoming artists and write a review about them. The more you listen to, the more money you can earn. So below are the websites that pays. We will also have a blog inside the descriptions for any of these. If I see that we have enough comments and likes in these videos, definitely I will make a note and leave it in the description. You can always go back and click. Number 1, Music X-Ray. Music X-Ray is a platform for singers/songwriter to submit their songs and earn money by listening to music. It's a website that connects artists to talent hunter. These artists pay a certain fees to get to promote their music and to build a fan base by submitting their songs to the portal and generating followership. A user can sign up as a fan to listen to the music of their own choice. These users or fans are then paid by the website to listen to the music from such new artists. The recording are mostly only 30 seconds long. Music X-Rays pays its user through PayPal only. They pay user 10 cents per song. The minimum threshold is about $20, which is that's pretty good. 10 cents for 30 seconds long. I'm definitely going to that right after this. Number 2, playlist push. So thinking to yourself, how cool would it be if you can listen to a song and get paid for reviewing them? Well, playlist push lets you do exactly just that. Okay, I don't know why that sounds like an advertisement, but oh well, let's keep going with it. The idea behind the platform is to support these indie artists and singers to help talented singers reach out to the top level. If you think you have good taste in music and are good at writing reviews, then this is the right website for you. Okay guys, so basically let's go to the payment. So how much do they pay you to do this? Well, the playlist push offer pretty fair pay rates. For each song you review, you earn $12. The payment sent directly to your bank account. So you will ask, like, what happened if I'm not in the States or I'm not in the US? How do I get paid? Well guys, a quick tip for you. You can sign up for Payoneer. Just Google search Payoneer, and that's how you can sign up for Payoneer. They will give you a US bank account, and that's how you can receive these payment via bank account payments. Number 3, Current.us. Current.us is Android iOS based mobile app that pays around $600 per year for playing music on your mobile phone. That's one of the most rewarding apps if you want to generate passive income by listening to songs. You can earn while you're working in the office, doing jogging, or even when you're commuting. Basically, you earn money by earning points for being active on the app. The more you tap on the music or other feature of the app, the more money you can make. They keep on adding more and more other options to earn, so it will only keep getting better. You can spend your points by redeeming gift cards, recording music for offline users, or cashing it out with PayPal. Number 4, Radio Earn. Radio Earn is a great website if you want to earn passive income by listening to the radio. You start by sign up for a profile, and once you're done, you can start listening and start earning. If you're a webmaster, you can integrate the radio into your website for other people to listen to. This option can make you passive money. You will earn points after every 15 minutes. These points are then converted to US dollar. Payments are made every month via PayPal. Next one, Research.fm. Research.fm is a music music research company that pay you to provide feedback for radio stations on what kind of music to play. This company basically asks its user to fill out a survey that they will send to you through email, and then the user have to listen to example music and fill out the survey, and then they will pay you by Amazon gift card, which you can redeem. Number 6, Hit Predictor. Okay, Hit Predictor is another great music research company that send test songs before airing them. They pay users to listen to the music and share their feedback about it. Users simply have to sign up and choose their music type, listen to the sample of music provided, and rate it. This company reward user with points. For every song you rate, you get like 3 points, which is equal to $1. Once you collect enough points, you can exchange them for Amazon gift card and prices. And also user can also earn by rating artists. Number 7, Cash for Minutes. Cash for Minutes is a website that pay users to call and listen to the radio. The user create their accounts and fill out their contact informations, including their landline number. After completing the profile, the user will receive an email with a corresponding task to carry out. Users have the option to listen to any radio stations that are available at the time. Cash per minute pays its user roughly 8 cents per minute. Payments are made through PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or you can redeem it as Amazon gift card. Like, who would want Amazon gift card? Number 8, Earnably. Earnably is a pay-to-do site that reward user completely different tasks. User have to complete tasks for which they earn the points. Each task gives you different points for completing it. These tasks range from taking surveys, watching advertisement or music video, or listen to the radio. Earnably pays user through PayPal, Bitcoin, or Amazon gift card. The minimum withdrawal limit is around $2, which is equal to 225 points. Number 9 on our list, which is Collect.fm. Collect.fm is a Netherlands-based startup that connects music creators and brands with curators from all over the world. As a curator, you can join Collect and be a part of the expert communities. As a music curator, you will be working directly with brands and give feedbacks on their music or songs. They will also expect you to give a recommendation to provide your expert opinions. Collect expects the curator to have a suitable industry experience. If you don't have any proven track record, then this opportunity might not be for you. So those are the 9 ways where you can earn money by listening to music. I hope you have a few that you're gonna check out right after this video. It's been great. I'll see you on the next video. So we are done with today's podcast, but this is not yet goodbye. I'll see you on the next one. If you like my voice or the info we gave, we have more ideas on the next video. Just click on it and keep listening. The more information you can gather in the quickest time will end up benefiting you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to make it a habit to search for information and ideas. To stay motivated, I will put myself in situations like this. Don't think too much. Just keep searching for info, keep listening, and you already win half the battle. Billy.